Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the marathon error code 45. As per our research, the error comes when players try to sign up for the alpha through the Discord link. Users have shared that whenever they try to register, they are hit with this error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by browser compatibility issues, and there are a couple of simple fixes that have worked for some users. First, if you are using Firefox, then that might be the reason for the error. So try using Google Chrome instead and check if the error still comes. If switching the browser doesn't help, then try opening the link on a different device or phone. This has worked for some users, so give it a try and see if it helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.